Very good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Morning. Okay, you people wanted to do some this thing, na? One topic Kushagra told me that you wanted to like debate on that topic. What topic was that? Remember the topic? Yes or no?
Ma'am, which topic? I don't remember.
You said any topic, na? You people
Ma'am,
wanted to
I
debate
have
on
given
that
the
topic.
topic.
Acha, Ashutosh gave the topic. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
बताइए
Ma'am,
बेटा
the
कौन
rule on OTT platforms.
the
And the new rule on OTT platforms, the new guidelines.
Ma'am, censorship on OTT platforms like Amazon Prime Video, Netflix, ALT Balaji, Sony Live, and Disney Plus Hotstar, and all those. मतलब जैसे बॉलीवुड की मूवीज सेंसर बोर्ड में जाती हैं, देन वहां से पास होती हैं, पर ये जो कंटेंट है इन सब के साथ ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है.
अच्छा ओके सबको समझ में आ रहा है टॉपिक
No, ma'am. नहीं समझ में आ रहा है.
समझाइए इनको और किसे नहीं समझ में आ रहा है बताइए कुशाग्र एक्सप्लेन हिम द टॉपिक और किसको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है
ओके मैम.
एनीबडी एल्स बाकी सबको समझ में आ रहा है ऑल राइट आप
No,
बेटा
ma'am.
बता दीजिए
Ritesh Maurya.
अच्छा
मैम
बताइए बताइए
मैम एक सेशनल से रिलेटेड एक चीज पूछनी थी.
बताइए पूछिए
वो क्या कहते हैं, प्रैक्टिकल में क्या होना है मैम?
प्रैक्टिकल में आज असाइनमेंट ओके
ठीक है,
कल
ठीक है.
कौन देगा?
मैम अभी 20th से प्रैक्टिकल है, तो मतलब ये पेपर है, तो प्रैक्टिकल आप कब तक दीजिएगा?
I'll give you soon. Don't worry about communication. All right. Okay.
And ma'am, what kind of assignment will it be, like written, or do we have to
And written.
something written?
Written.
Okay, okay. Thank you, ma'am.
All right.
मैम, may I continue?
Please continue, Kushagar, please.
Okay, ma'am. OTT is acronym for over the top. That means the मतलब जनरलाइज्ड वे में कह सकते हैं कि जो भी कंटेंट इंटरनेट पे स्ट्रीम किया जाता है, या फिर वो जो प्लेटफॉर्म्स होते हैं उनको ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म्स बोलते हैं. मेजरली अमेजन प्राइम वीडियो, नेटफ्लिक्स, सोनी लिव, हॉटस्टार, एलटी बालाजी एंड और भी हैं, एमएक्स प्लेयर एंड ढेर सारे. तो इन पे जो कंटेंट्स जो प्रोड्यूसर्स एंड बाकी जो लोग डाल रहे हैं वो कंटेंट सारे सोसाइटी के लिए मतलब ओके हैं या नहीं है. गवर्नमेंट जैसे कि अभी तांडव पे हुआ है, मतलब तांडव पे काफी कुछ हो गया है. देन उसके पहले कुछ कुछ ऐसे भी चीजें और भी एक दो वेब सीरीज थे जिनके ऊपर हुआ था. एंड फिर ये कुछ ग्रुप के लोग थे जो लोग इससे ऑफेंडेड हो गए थे. एंड फिर वो लोग पिटीशन डाले, तो अभी के इस पे मतलब मेरे पास अपडेट नहीं है, शायद आशुतोष बोला कि कुछ रूल्स एंड गाइडलाइंस आई हैं, बट अभी तक फिलहाल ऐसे कोई बहुत मेजर रूल्स एंड गाइडलाइंस नहीं है। तो डिबेट इस बात पे है कि इन सब चीजों पे, जैसे बॉलीवुड मूवीज पे सेंसरशिप होता है, तो वैसे ही इन प्लेटफॉर्म्स की भी सेंसर, मतलब इन प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे जो कंटेंट्स हैं उनके भी सेंसरशिप होनी चाहिए या नहीं होनी चाहिए। ओह, दैट्स ऑल।
Ma'am, I want to speak in favor
हाँ,
of OTT platform.
अच्छा
इन
ओके।
फेवर ऑफ सेंसरशिप और नॉट?
Yes, in favor of censorship.
All of you got the topic? Any problem? Shall we start?
यस मैम।
Who's going to speak first?
मैम आदित्य टेक्स्ट कर रहा है। आदित्य मीटिंग लीव करके रिजॉइन करो।
Message him to
यस
disconnect
मैम।
and join. Okay, so who's going to start? Please tell me. Everybody understood the point, the topic which is there? See, your assignment is going to be supported by the debate, the jams, or the discussions that we had in the class. Okay?
यस मैम।
Ma'am, may I speak?
Please start. Don't ask. Start. Okay?
I am speaking in favor of OTT platform. One thing is that clear in OTT platforms that they their content is too realistic, too portrayal of politics and society of that OTT platforms films that we have watched in compare to Bollywood and other films are. And there are many incidents which we have watched in OTT platform, like as the slogans of Azadi and the real incident we have learned from JNU incidents, and they were shown the police brutality and politics ugliness in our society in real world.
So my friend, tell me that we don't need any type of censorship. Anything can be published. I'm also in
Wha-
favor, but I want to
Please
know
repeat.
this. Means
Please repeat. I
uh,
can't hear.
the OTT platform does not need any censorship. Don't need any type of reviewing. They should directly publish their content.
Yes, they need a permission and regulation regarding OTT platforms. I agree with you, but it shows that most of the realities of societies.
Ma'am, what is the topic on which debate is going on?
Hello.
Should OTT platform should be censored or not? Censored means censored or not. Yep.
Okay.
But not censored as like as the films we have watched in box office.
Till now, there is no censorship or no review procedure for OTT platforms. They can directly publish their content. Is it right?
Yes, it is right sometime because it gives the maker to show the reality of society, and it has a good freedom of speech by the makers who made the Tandav like movies.
Okay. I understood. You don't have idea about how it started. Anybody in this class having idea how it have started? Like why this censorship is in top? मीन्स ये क्यों बात हो रही है, ऐसा कोई किसी को भी आइडिया है कुछ क्लास में?
थोड़ा सा ब्रीफ कर दो.
या
ब्रीफ कर दो. हाँ.
बता दूं मतलब कह रहे हो ना कि बहुत ज्यादा
हाँ.
बैकग्राउंड नॉइस है यहाँ पे.
हाँ.
Actually, there is a show released on Art Balaji by Ekta Kapoor, and in one of their show, the lady wearing army uniform and showed very badly in the OTT platform. So this thing came. मतलब कि कुछ लड़कियों को आर्मी कपड़े पहना के बहुत ही गलत तरीके के वीडियोस या कह सकते हैं विजुअल बनाए गए थे, जिसके कारण ये सारे केसेस हुए हैं. Or for this time,
it was in limelight, but no, it was in limelight, but ये बहुत शुरू से मतलब इन सब पे है. आई थिंक 2016-17 के अराउंड से कि इन सब पे मतलब जब लोग उतना ये नहीं था तब भी कि ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म से होना चाहिए या नहीं होना चाहिए. बेसिकली इन माय पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू
person are talking about these things, but wait. But the first case filed means मतलब जो पहली तरीके से प्रॉपर केस फाइल हुआ था वो इसके बाद हुआ था. And measure of courts have filed new cases per day. Even now cases are filing. बहुत बड़े बड़े वकीलों ने केस फाइल किया है इस पर, और इसके बाद ही एक्चुअली ये चीज उसमें आई है आपकी मतलब बातचीत में इस पे केस होना चाहिए. सॉरी फॉर डिस्टरबेंस, आज थोड़ा घर पे काम लगा इसलिए बैकग्राउंड वॉइस रहेगी थोड़ी सी.
कोई नहीं. So what I want to say is कि there should not be any censorship on these platforms, because what generally happens in Bollywood, like there are 4 to 5 people, board members, and they watch and they decide that what the people of country, I mean 125 crore people, means 5 people decide what 100 crore people are going to watch. So they, on the behalf of their ideology, their mindset, they cut the scenes and they means say that no, this thing not should be in this way and this thing not should be in that way. So I don't want that the contents of Amazon Prime and Netflix should be filtered in that way.
I want to add a point in Sak's points that there is an NOC came from army and police side when a web series of Uri released on Sony Live, that every web series related to the army or the police, not to the government, only army and police, should get an NOC from police and army. And I think it is best justified to make our country pride, because army and police are a pride jobs. We cannot कहते हैं, we cannot insult them in any of web series or movie. So I think this is okay. We don't need more censorship. We need a good and a quality content. They should be free to speak, free to show anything.
Yes, I agree with Astos.
Ma'am, I think only few people know about it. The rest of them don't know about it, so they are not replying anything in support or against the support.
Nobody knows much.
It
Huh?
can be group discussion.
All right, converted into group discussion. Okay.
मैम बट सब तो शांति है, कोई कुछ बोल ही नहीं रहा.
Yes, ma'am.
टॉपिक चेंज करना है क्या?
Ma'am, if nobody is speaking, then we have to change the topic.
मैम बहुत लोग का माइक, 2 लोग का माइक नहीं काम कर रहा है.
आदित्य is now able to speak. उसने बीच में पूछा भी था कौन सा टॉपिक चल रहा है.
See, whatever practical marks are there, आपके class performance plus the assignment. All right. And everybody knows their class performance. Yes or no?
Yes ma'am.
पता है ना सबको? हाँ, तो the assignment marks will be, the practical marks will be divided into 2. Okay. Your assignment plus your class performance. Okay. Okay, tell me, is celebrity life, being a celebrity is easy or it's difficult? Being a celebrity.
Difficult.
Ma'am, difficult.
How many of you are saying it's easy? बताइए.
Ma'am, easy in a way and difficult in another way.
Okay.
And sometimes easy and sometimes difficult.
But I'll go with easy.
Okay. So shall we have a debate on this or shall we have a group discussion?
I think GD is better.
Yes, ma'am. Group discussion will be.
Yes,
more-
ma'am.
GD?
GD.
Okay. So who's going to start?
I'm initiating, ma'am.
All right.
The life of celebrities are easier in comparison to other people. Like they don't have to. First of all, India is not a very means does not have very good economic condition, and also it is not very developed. So most of people here are either they are in they are poor or they are in middle class. So all of them have to suffer with yeah, financial issues in some stage of their life. So celebrities all means almost every one of them have not to suffer the financial issue. So yeah, their life is little bit ease in this way.
You said easy in the way of economic condition, correct?
Yes.
But the thing is, when you are a celebrity, you have to maintain something. Like you don't have freedom like we all have. We can even wear jeans, even clothes, and go to the market. But when they are going out from their home, they have to maintain their clothing style and everything because anyone can take photos. And because they have to maintain, they have to pay more. And they have to pay more than their economic condition also came at same level. If a
But I
person
think that
getting 80,000 a
I
month,
think
wait.
that
Wait. If a
okay.
person getting
Okay, okay.
80,000 a month and a person getting 20,000 a month, both spends are different, but both savings are equal. Because 80,000 person brought things higher quality, 20,000 brought lower quality, but they both brought things. They have same type of lifestyle. Means not same type of lifestyle, means equal type of lifestyle. I want to say this.
Mm.
Then why people going for 80,000 job, not 20,000 job?
Clothing and styling is a personal choice. This means you can also do that if you have that much potential. It's not like that कि मतलब लाइमलाइट में वो हमेशा रहते हैं तो उनको ऐसे ही करना चाहिए. वो उनका चॉइस है तो वो कर रहे हैं. अगर वो ऐसा ना भी करेंगे तो आई डोंट थिंक कि कोई ऐसे बोलेगा कि अरे ये देखो ये सलमान खान है लेकिन ये ऐसे लोअर ट्रैक पैंट में ही मॉल चला आया. फिर तो वो एक उनके वजह से एक ट्रेंड बन जाएगा एंड देन पीपल विल गो इन मींस देयर फॉलोवर्स एंड अदर पीपल विल गो इन ट्रैक पैंट एंड अपर.
Okay, Kusagar, I will answer you, but before you, somebody asked about 20,000, 80,000.
Okay.
The basically thing is everybody wants more and more income. If there is an option of 1,020, like they will go for that. But at finally they have to live and they have to get some for livelihood. So they will be okay with the 20,000 when they didn't get 80,000. Okay. If your father is getting, I'm not going personal. I'm just taking an example. Sorry if you feel bad or anything. I'm taking example just. If your father getting 80,000, they will give you a good backpack, good copy, classmate copies. And if he is getting only 20,000, they will told you to buy rough copies and 4-year, 5-year bag old. You can use same bag for 4-year, 5-year, and these things. But their living style is equal, not same, is equal. I think.
Yes, I agree
Everyone
with
going.
us. Yes, I agree with Astos and add more points. The celebrity can troll by anyone in social media, and there is no choice like celebrity. Just that I have as a common man. We have a
Correct.
choice.
Sir, now I want to answer you. A company came to me, and I am a celebrity, Fast Track company, and they have given me a lower and a jacket. So when I'm going out for my house, I have to wear that because I have taken money from them, and I have to wear it. If I have wear anything else, there are some rules and regulations for it. Means affidavits are signed or contracts are signed for it. So I have to see what I am wearing. There is no, yeah, I make the trend, but think I have made many of things for it. So people
तो भाई
seeing
तुमसे
me and
तुमसे
wait,
पूछ
wait,
के ही
wait. And
मतलब
in
ना करिए.
India, yeah, Pranjal,
अच्छा
what
तो
you
तुम
said?
साइन करोगे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट तो वो लोग तुमको बोलेंगे तभी ना साइन करोगे.
Yes,
हाँ तो तुम्हारी मन के ऊपर रहेगा ना कि तुम्हें कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन करना है कि नहीं, तुम्हें वो चीज करना है कि नहीं.
yes, करना है, बिल्कुल. And thing is, what is my second point is only for this. And we live in India, in society where we think बगल वाला क्या सोचेगा, सामने वाला क्या सोचेगा. What my point? We don't live in other countries. Like in USA, if you see Bill Gates and Steve Jobs or the Mark Zuckerberg, they wear any type of pant, any type of clothes. They round on the buildings. They don't have any problem. Even people don't bother him. Let's take a selfie or anything. It is obvious to the public where they walk daily or they do their things. But in India, it is a different side. Everyone is lover of selfie, lover of taking photos. Oh, he's a celebrity. Let's take a photo. Let's take. For them,
Yeah, so it's
okay,
us
who is taking his time. We should give them.
yeah.
Yes,
So
I
it's the
agree with
people of
Astos.
India who, हाँ तो ये जो यहाँ के लोग हैं वो उनको इतना सर पे चढ़ा के रखे हैं, but clothing and styling is a art and ये सबका differ करता है. So मतलब
Not
इस पे क्यों
only
डिस्कस
clothing
कर रहे
and
हैं हम लोग.
styling,
And
everything.
Sonu said, yeah, and Sonu said that the celebrities can be trolled on social media apps and they have no choice, but anyone can be trolled on social media, and if they are wrong means, yep, like we can ये अभी कुछ दिन पहले बाबा का ढाबा वाला केस हुआ था. शुरू में इतना लाइमलाइट मिला एंड देन लास्ट में कुछ ऐसे फ्रॉडरी का केस आ गया एंड पूरा कंट्रोवर्शियल हो गया था. तो डोंट नो कि कौन सही है कौन गलत है, बट द थिंग इज कि अगर कोई थोड़ा सा भी लाइमलाइट में या नहीं भी है, तो अगर वो कुछ अच्छा करता है या बुरा करता है, थोड़ा सा वायरल हो जाता है, देन उसके बाद में लाइमलाइट में आ गया और गलत किया तो उसको ट्रोल करेंगे लोग. सो इधर यू कैन बी ऑल्सो ट्रोल्ड इफ यू आर doing wrong and people are noticing it. And why celebrities are generally trolled? Because there are a number of people who follow them and they like him or her because of his behavior and character, but if he do something against that, then like we can take example of Sonu Sood. In the lockdown period, from the lockdown period, he is helping so much people, and if anyone sees him doing anything opposite of that action, then he will be trolled. It's obvious.
And about trolling, I want to add a point that all of us watch memes. Do you think memers don't get any money? Memers are the highest paid persons nowadays. And Ananya Pandey was the person who paid for making struggling meme. Now everyone knows Ananya Pandey because of their struggle. There is a struggle meme about him. Everyone knows about it. Am I correct, Sagar?
Yes, I know.
Yes.
So the thing is, trolling is the part of their life. What do you think? The Maggie of Patanjali is got trolled because there is an cockroach on the Maggie, but still he is alive after Maggie is made. How it is possible? Because they need to famous their Maggie. So this is a way to get famous.
हटो यार लो फिस लो
Kushak, you
Yep.
said that many people follow celebrities. So if they don't do anything that the people like, they will eventually get trolled. So this is the most prominent problem faced by celebrities because the people, their followers, they assume him as a perfect example. They have to be perfect. If they do anything wrong, they can never be wrong. If they do any mistake, so people troll them. So there is this mindset of people that they have to be perfect, they can never be wrong. So this is one problem that makes the life of celebrities much harder than the normal people, because if we do mistake, so no one, if only one or two people corrects us, and then we understand, yes, it was our mistake, and then we try to overcome, we do some things so that we can make it better, whatever mistakes we did. But in case of celebrities, if they do anything wrong, the people, they drag it so much that the celebrity, they think that they have done some sort of crime or something that is making them feel worthless. And the other thing that makes the life of celebrity much harder is that their invasion of their privacy. They don't have any privacy. They go anywhere. The paparazzi is everywhere. They surround them. उसके बाद they cannot do anything with patience. They have that fear कि इधर से कोई photos ना click कर दे, उधर से कोई photos ना click कर दे. Whereas in normal life, it is not seen. That's all.
I want to add more points. Celebrities are icons of society. If they act bad character in films, the societies would also follow sometimes, and this is not good for society. And it makes difficult life for societies or celebrities.
Can you please repeat that? It was not clear that what you wanted to say.
Sonu, please repeat.
Celebrities are icons of society if they act bad characters in films, and the society would follow the bad characters in that film sometimes, and that makes their life so difficult, and they can troll and etc.
Then society is not mature enough to differentiate between what is real and what is real. It's not the problem of celebrities, it's our problem.
Yeah,
हम
this
स्टार्ट
is
की
right.
क्लास स्टार्ट हो गई है.
Oops. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you have stats class now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Okay.